Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose sound and vibration over here and tap on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you will enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then choose vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Then scroll down, click on the switcher next to reduce notification feedback or phone screen to enable or disable this feature and tap on more sounds and haptics. Then enable or disable vibration on touch by clicking on the switcher next to this feature. Then go back, choose ringtone, tap on vibration and select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on one of those options. Turn them off completely by choosing no vibration or choose an option called sync with ringtone. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!